Hi, hello guys, welcome to IndiaBees. In today's video, we are going to see about the A tag, which is an anchor tag. You are taking a next step towards success, which most of them don't do. So what we are going to cover today? Anchor tag. What is an anchor tag? So here A tag defines the hyperlink, which is used to link from one page to another, or one specific area to another specific area. We are jumping, so we can download the files using anchor tag as well. So here are the type of the anchor tags which we can be used. So internal, external, and we can download using the anchor tag, and anchor tag used to jump between the sections in our page. Let's dive into the source code. Don't worry, you don't have the source code. It is provided in the previous videos. This is the basic template we are using. So this page will look like this one. So this is the page we are developing. Itself stands for hypertext reference. So most of them don't know what is this explanation, but they usually tell that AH. That's it. This is an external H1. So we are redirecting to google.com. So as we said, like it's HTML tag, which should have an open tag and close tag. Right. Let's save this one and go to our source. You can find that there are no text for the anchor tag. That means we have to add a text here. So click here to redirect to external. So we have saved this page, and come here, refresh our application. You can able to see here, click here to redirect the external page. You click this, it will redirect to our Google page, which we have mentioned in our source code. But you can see that the page which is opened in our same application, so that should not be happen. So we can sort it out. There's an attribute called target. So in target there are many attributes, like blank. So this target will redirect to new page. We can save this source and come here, refresh. If you click here, it will redirect to new page, and our existing session will not be closed. Okay, this is another kind of attributes. There are more attributes in this sense. So let's go to the, this is an external link. Now we can go to the internal link. So we have mentioned that we need to redirect to internal page, but we don't have any internal page in our source code. So we have to create a new file. Right? We can make this as contact.html. Okay, here, as we said, this is the structure of HTML in the previous videos. Go the body, we have have to mention head. Add a text. We have redirected to a new page. Save this page and you can go to the index page, and in the href you can mention simply contact.html. So once save this file and come to our source code, it's somewhat not aligned, so we have to use break statement so that we will be able to see our page. Okay, this looks familiar. Click here to the internal page. You will be able to see the redirect to new page. This we have created now. So we have to go from this page to that page, right? So for that we have to create another href file from here. Href we have to redirect to index.html. Redirect to home page. Once you save this file, go here, refresh. You will be having a link like redirect to home page. So clicking that, you will redirect it to main page. So then, what is kind of download? Here, the same kind of stuff we are doing for download. Click here to download a file. So here you have to specify the PDF file path. So I have a PDF in my desktop, so I will copy the PDF. Okay, and here we have to create a new folder like docs. The file folder has been created and we have to go to the folder part and we can paste our PDF here. So after pasting it, you have to refresh the folder set so that you can receive the PDF. So here where we have placed documents and sample PDF. Let's save it and go to this one, and we can refresh the page. We can click here to download the file. Once you click this file, so it will automatically download the PDF which is available in our source file. So after that you can download here anything. Okay, it's a download file. Another one. Finally, the anchor tag. So anchor tag, what it does is it will move your page to the top or bottom where your ID is specified. Okay, we have to specify our page ID. So which was an ID like top. Okay, here we can specify. Click here to move to the top of the page, and you can close your anchor. Fine. Let's save it and go to our page. So we have not added the breakpoint here. So click here to move to the top of the page. If you click here, we will redirect to the top of the page. It's because the ID top is specified somewhere on the top of the ID. Body ID is top, so it will automatically redirect to the this part of the page, because the body starts from here, right? So it will redirect to here. So these are all the A tags which is mostly used. Let's come to the conclusion. What we have learned in this video: we have used various type of anchor tags to do internal page redirection and external page redirection, and downloading the files, as well as redirecting between the page sections. Okay, let's come to the giveaway criteria. So our giveaway criteria is the most commenters in the video, and please join in the Discord link which we have provided in the description, so that you will be eligible for this criteria. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Wait for the upcoming videos. Thank you.